I'm Kirsty Graham, I'm 24 and my role is House Event Coordinator. So my role at Weston Park involves all of the events within the house, so weddings, private parties, and also look after the private dining in the restaurant. So skills that are really important in my role are good communication and being able to talk within the wider team, not just my immediate colleagues, and just being able to adapt to anything that's thrown at you. You never have the same day. You come in the morning and anything can happen. You might be showing someone around one day, you might be in meetings all day, or you might be, actually producing the event, so a wedding or a party. As a team, we have a huge sense of pride when you've pulled off an event because the planning is, it can be months, it can be years. It's so worth it when it all comes together at the end. Staffordshire is a great place for young people to work because there's such a breadth of historic houses, gardens, leisure places, so pubs, restaurants. I would tell young people to get into this sector because it really builds your own confidence up. You meet so many different people and it's no 2 days are the same.